Hello, my amazing friends. Today is a very exciting day because my first samples for my new merch came, and I decided it would be really fun if you got to see them for the first time when I get to see them for the first time. So I'm going to unbox them with you. I'm pretty excited, so I want to just dive in. But before I do, I just want to take a second and mention this is something I have been dreaming of doing for so many years. And I've come this far because of you guys. I couldn't do this without you. So honestly, thank you for sharing this moment with me. Thank you for following me. My mission is to just fill the world with goodness. And so thank you for being a part of that. And I'm excited for this new chapter, adventure we're going on together. So I have 3 packages and I haven't opened them at all. So we're going to open them. I think we're going to start with smallest to biggest. I don't know, it just sounded fun. I've got my knife so I can get in. First, I thought this was kind of fun. If you've been following me on social media, you know I recently decided you guys voted on what my new logo should be. So this is actually my old one. So when you order yours, you'll have the new one on there. But also, yes, I couldn't wait to film this. So I usually am just standing. When I film my YouTube videos, we literally just are using like a filming table and we're just going for it. So it's a little dorky, but you know, it's gonna work. So let's open this. I'm so excited. Okay, here we go. All of a sudden, I can't remember how to open things because it's like everybody's watching me open it. Here we go. And this one says, please handle with care, fragile. And I just looked at that and I was like, that's a little relatable some days. I thought that was funny. All right, how do you open this thing? Maybe you pull it out here. It's gonna be the most boring video ever. Just can't figure out how to open a box. Oh, you have to cut it on top, duh. See, I told you, you can't remember how to do things sometimes when the camera's on. Here it is. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, there's like a cool sticker thing. Or no, that's something else. Oh, it's like a receipt. And here it comes. I'm so excited for you guys to see this one. Coach Melannie says I'm hot. Oh my goodness. I thought it was so funny when I thought of this. You can have a mug that officially states that Coach Melannie thinks you're hot. How cool is that? Wow. That's a really cool feeling. Okay, on to the next one. I can't wait. And here we go. Ready for it? Boom. There it is. See? This one's a lot bigger. This one is also fragile. Must be handled with great care. Let's just dive in here. Would have helped if I had picked a sharper knife. I think I picked like the dullest knife I have. There we go. And then, boom. Another receipt. I know what this is. Bubble wrap, the most important part. And, oh, it's beautiful. It's my attractive by default cup. So if you've been following me for a while, this is stainless steel and it has a straw that I don't know how to open. Oh, anyway, yeah, it's got a straw. And stainless steel, I think it's 32 ounce. And if you've been following me for a while, you know attractive by default is like my whole method. I teach you the traits that make your default setting attractive. It's all habit, it's all automatic. So I wanted this for so long. I'm so excited. And I love that size. That's perfect. So one more. You ready? I'm very excited about this one too. Wait for it. Here it comes. Boom. That was probably kind of loud on the mic. Sorry. Where'd my knife go? Okay, here we go. I feel everything's so short. I feel so silly. We literally just said, drop the camera and let's go. How do you open it? This one also has a logo on it, on the shipping label, I guess. Okay. Put that somewhere. Okay, so there's a hat and 2 shirts. And I know what they are. So, here we go. This is so cool. I'm nerding out on the highest level, you guys. This is amazing. So, we have the Attractive by Default hat. I also have another style hat that you can get as well. And there's like a million colors. I had so much fun selecting the colors. I think this one's dusty gray or something like that. But that's awesome. Got the adjustable back, which is good because funny story, my head is apparently very small. Like I have purchased hats from the children's section because nothing fits my head. So I apparently have a small head. So that's awesome. And then now we have a t-shirt. Again, so many colors with the t-shirts. It was so fun. Let's see. Yeah, here we go. I had no idea. Here's Attractive by Default shirt. I can talk. Attractive by Default shirt. So this one is in red, which is kind of awesome. That'll be fun. And then we have one more that has something else funny on it. I can get it open. Oh my goodness. This one is your coach. Melannie says I'm hot. I felt really funny. I was like, is it weird if I wear that in public? And I was like, yes, it is. So I got this one really oversized so I can just like wear it for chilling around the house. So anyway, lots of fun goodies. I'm so excited. I'm gonna put a merch shelf under my videos so you can get stuff. There's some other stuff on the store too that you can check out that I don't have here, but I cannot wait to hear how you guys like them. If you take pictures and want to like tag me in them, that would be amazing. And yeah, it's you can check it out now. So I'm super excited. Thank you so much again for being a part of this journey with me. This has been incredible. And you get to tell the world that you're attractive by default. These things help boost confidence. They also are great conversation starters. And, you know, if it's a little bit funny, it especially helps with conversations and stuff. So go get your good stuff. It's perfect for gym or running groceries, or if you have some kind of weekend at like casual event, go check it out. I can't wait to hear how you like it. Thank you so much again, my amazing friends, and have an amazing day.